Hi guys, FN2Ops here. Welcome to another video. So today I'm bringing you a 3D printed funnel. So let's roll the intro. Hi guys, as I've mentioned in the intro, today I'm gonna do a review of a 3D printed funnel. This funnel was actually printed by my brother-in-law. I saw someone selling on Facebook, and I thought that probably I can find a file around because 3D products are the models are available quite easily. I managed to find the model and sent it to my brother-in-law, and he printed two of these. This one was printed with a PETG filament, and the file that I sent it was an STL file. So if you have a 3D printer, I'll leave the link to the file in the description, so you can have one of these. You just have to pay for the filament. But yeah, my first thoughts about these 3D printed funnels. Right, so this is a bit of a feedback from me and my brother-in-law. Is the file that I downloaded was not the best file. So if you want something to be like super perfect and with the less imperfections, you might have to alter the file. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but there's a few lines here and there that is shown up, but this can be basically fixed in the file. For me, for the purpose of what it is, it's just a funnel, isn't it? It's just something that you're going to have to, you will be able to screw into your rocket cover and then fill it up like that. The material is very, very strong. It's not like a normal plastic funnel. I don't think I can actually break it easily. I can put quite a lot of force into it. So the material used, which I mentioned earlier, is PETG filament. Is quite good actually. I was surprised about it. And yeah, I mean, I think these retail for £8 or £10. I think I saw one website advertising it for £8 and another website advertising for £10. But yeah, I mean, I think it's quite a nice tool. I mean, it's a funnel, isn't it? It's something that you, if you want to keep it stable, so to speak, whilst you dropping the oil, quite handy. This one being a screw version, which you can actually screw it and it will be nice and tight. So I've test fitted this one in my FN2, and there's some findings about it. So shall we go outside? Let's go. Okay, so this is the issue, so to speak, with the funnels and the FN2. So as you're aware, the cowl is in the way. God knows why on the decide to do it this way, but it is what it is. So you can't actually change your spark plugs with this here, so you have to actually remove the cowl, and to actually get some oil in you need to have a very small funnel or some with a retractable tip, something like that. And with these 3D printed funnels, or this case is special, the problem we got is gonna eat top of the heat shield there, as you can see, and if you can't keep it straight, you can't screw it, see, and you actually might damage the thread, or actually get some materials inside your engine, so don't do that. So I had to come with a solution. So my solution was to basically trim about 2 to 3 millimeters off the top. I'll measure it later, but that's the only way you can fit it, keep it straight, and basically not touch the heat shield. So as you can see here, if you keep it straight, it should just screw in. There we go, so nice and straight, and obviously now clears the heat shield. So it's not perfect, but now does the job. Previously didn't. But yeah, that's my review on these 3D printers. Back to the desk. Right, as I've mentioned, we got 2 funnels, and as you can see from the video, I had to trim or take a bit of material from one of them in order to clean the heat shield. This is a very tough material, and if you want to do it, you're gonna have to use a very abrasive sandpaper, and I recommend you to put it in a flat place with the sandpaper and evenly start taking the material off. Otherwise you're gonna have to cut it, even if you use a stainless knife or other kind of tool that you have that might remove this evenly. So regarding the amount of material I had to remove, so this one, which is still untouched, the height of the funnel is 88 millimeters, and this one is now 84 millimeters, so I had to remove 4 millimeters. So I don't know if the ones that have been advertised on other websites, they took in consideration the heat shield from the FN2. I'm not 100% sure, because they are advertised as K20 funnels, so I might be wrong. But taking that in consideration, or just ask the seller if they will fit or not. And as I said, as a reference, if it's 84 millimeters high, should be more than enough to clear it. But that's pretty much it. So I got 2. I don't need 2. That means that this one is going to be given to one of you lucky guys. The reason why I didn't smooth this one or remove the excess material is because you might be an EP3 owner, you might be a DC5 owner, you might be a K-Swap owner. That means this size probably will clear your heat shield or whatever you got. So it's up to you to decide if you want to remove the excess material. At least you got this video as a guidance what to do. To win this 3D printed funnel, all you have to do is to be subscribed to the channel, follow me on my Instagram page, and write in the comments 3D print. Also put your Instagram username so I can match your profile on YouTube with your profile on Instagram. The competition will end Sunday the 6th of February, so yeah, so you got a chance of winning one of these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.